Welcome back, guys, to Texas Decor and More. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little breakfast or dessert dish. It's really easy, simple, that I wanted to try. And we're going to be doing other things as well, but I just wanted to welcome you. Say hi, hello, what's up? Let's get to it, let's do it. Hi guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I've been seeing this recipe all over the place, and it's apple pie filling with cinnamon rolls, and I've just really been wanting to try it out because I really love apple cobbler, and I like cinnamon rolls too. So I have this recipe, and it's just really easy, 2 simple ingredients, and it's cinnamon rolls and apple filling. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're going to take your apple filling like this, and then you're going to go ahead and just put that in your pan or bowl or glass container, whatever it is that you have. And I have a few apples that don't want to come out. This is the first time I'm trying this recipe, but I recommend actually two cans of the apple filling instead of one, but I'm going to spread it out and make it work. So yeah, I just bought 1 can, but you should absolutely buy 2 cans. 2 cans of apple pie filling. So then I'm going to be taking my cinnamon rolls, and preheat your oven for 350, and then you're going to bake this for 20 minutes. Oh crap. There it went. So you're going to take these, you're going to cut them up. Cut them up like so. So actually, I would just double everything. I would just do, go ahead and do 2 cans of the apple filling and two rolls of the cinnamon rolls. And now that I've made this for the first time, now I know how to make it better. Because I wasn't thinking about what I really needed, because when I was at the store, I didn't really write the recipe down with me. I just remembered what ingredients it called for, so that's my bad. But I'm sure it's going to all taste the same after it's cooked, but now we know next time. 2 cans of apple pie filling and two things of cinnamon rolls, for sure. So let me show y'all what it looks like. This is what it should look like, okay? So I'm going to pop this in the oven. 20 minutes. $3.50. Voila.
A few moments later.
It's piping hot, just fresh out of the oven. See that ooey chewy goodness? Sweet. Sweet treat. Okay, time for a voiceover. So right here, I'm unloading a couple of groceries. It looks like I'm going to be cooking something that people would normally have for lunch. I'm just making some sub sandwiches really quick. We're not going to do anything heavy for dinner tonight, so we're just going to have these sub sandwiches. But what I really wanted to talk about was that first thing that I made. I don't know the name of it, but I want to tell y'all, if you're going to make this, I want to tell you what I would do differently. I would certainly use 2 cans of pie filling. And when I watched this recipe being made, she cut up the cinnamon rolls in cubes. But I'm going to try to make this for Thanksgiving. So I think what I would do differently is I would not cut the cinnamon rolls up in cubes. I would actually take them and leave them the way they are to just make everything look a little bit thicker and more cake-like than kind of thinned out the way I did it before. But now that I've made it once, now I know kind of how to critique it. And also, if you're like a pecan person and you like pecans, you could certainly add like pecans or cranberries to it, or just anything you would like to add. I mean, it was absolutely delicious. The presentation didn't look that great, but it tasted really good. And now that I've made it, I know how to perfect it. So right here, the reason I'm doing the voiceover is because the TV's in the background and I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I just figured we'd do a voiceover. I'm just preparing these sub sandwiches. It's Sunday evening. This will be what we are having for dinner, and it's the night before Halloween. And I'm just, yeah, I'm a pig. Look at me. I can't help it. I'm snacking. I'm snacking as I go. Snacking on that stuff. I just ate me a piece of ham, and now I'm struggling to cut this cheese up. It's a thing. So, the first thing I made was absolutely delicious. What I'm making now, it's going to be good too. I wish I could find a better angle in my kitchen when I'm cooking things to kind of really show y'all what I'm doing and how I'm preparing it. And so I'm going to work on that, trying to find a better angle or something, or maybe get a small tripod that I can put my phone on instead of a big one, something that I can just set on top of the counter to get those really good close-ups. But I think what I'm doing is I'm just placing the cheese and the meat on top of the bread. Later on, I add a little bit of butter to the tops of the bread, and I added pepper and garlic also, and I'm going to pop these in the oven for just, about 6 to 8 minutes. Let the meat get warmed up, the bread and the cheese, and I'm going to add some tomato to it as well. You can certainly add lettuce if you would like. And yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just, what is that I'm showing you? It's either chicken or ham. I can't remember which one. I bought both chicken and ham, but one of them I did with chicken, one of them I did with ham. Really doesn't matter. You can put any kind of meat you like on there. Salami, pepperoni. I don't know. I don't like that stuff, but you could put that on there if you want. Look at me, still snacking. I can't help myself. I guess I'm starving. I'm hungry. Right there, I'm cutting up that butter. I'm going to add it to the tops of the bread. And yeah, we're going to have this for dinner. And it didn't take me very long at all to make this. So if you want something just simple to do on a Sunday or evening of your choice, you could certainly make this. So usually I enjoy cooking, but I have to be in the mood to cook it. And usually when I like to cook, it's because I want to make a recipe I've never made before, and I haven't done really a cooking video in a while. So yeah, I'm just spreading that butter all over everything, and I'll probably have a Halloween vlog up for you guys, probably Monday or Tuesday. I'm not sure yet. It just depends on if Halloween is exciting or if it's not. We don't know yet, because I just don't know, because that's tomorrow and we're talking about today. But hopefully, if anything good happens, I'll vlog it for y'all. I have to go to work tomorrow. I'm dreading that right now as we speak. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, like and share my videos. Tell your friends about me. My channel is growing. I see a lot of y'all that watch and aren't subscribed, so why not subscribe? You're watching anyways. Oh, this is a bag. That's a bag that I got from the grocery store. It's a new bag. I want to keep it. I'm going to use it. It fell down. I had to pick it up. So yeah, that's a new bag that I got from the store. I like it. I'm going to keep it. I'm showing it to you. My bag. I'm so proud of it. Yeah, I'm keeping it. I'm trying to get it to close flat. There it goes. We got it done. Now I'm like, okay, where to put this thing? Where is it going to live? We don't know. So I just stuck it back on the counter. Okay, this is the leftovers. That's what was left out of... We almost ate like a half a pan of that already. Yeah, we did. It was good. Like I said, the presentation wasn't great, but it turned out delicious. I'm adding this to a plastic container for my husband's lunch. He's going to have that, and we had some leftover lasagna from, I don't know, Friday night, Saturday night, I don't know. We had quite a bit of it left, so I'm just making his lunch, getting that done, and just preparing everything food-wise. This whole video is just all about the food, okay? Today's video is all about the food. I don't know why, but around the holidays is normally when I start getting into, like, the cooking mood, I guess you could call it, because sometimes I don't like to cook. So here we are, we're upcoming, just taking those out of the oven. That's what they look like, and here is a final presentation.